Upload today is just a brief upload with regard to the ongoing issues that I'm experiencing for the past 3 to 4 years since I gave birth and became a married woman. The concern I'd like to raise in civil society today is the issue of COVID etiquette and the issue of proximity and presence of culprits that have caused harms to my child and I, and that are not within remit to be in proximity of a qualified, competent adult private citizen that they have offended and defamed. So, on my impact statement, I've clearly specified the factors that have been involved in the offences that I've experienced. The agencies are aware of the complaints procedures that they've been alerted to since 2017. So the issue of communication, as I mentioned in one of my uploads yesterday, the issue of communication and disinformation, and the issue of boundaries and limitations regarding constitutional and humanitarian law are all very pertinent for me at the moment. The obstructions of justice and the illegalities I'm experiencing, and the very serious issue of proximity and presence of culprits directly or indirectly, physically or in any other communicative form, that are relaying falsehoods that are offensive and slanderous, are all issues that I am raising an issue about today for the interest of the European Court of Human Rights. So we all have a right to have our identity and our privacy respected, and those taking liberties with people's identity that they are defaming and intruding upon is a pertinent matter for me at the moment. As a law-abiding citizen, as a qualified educator that has experienced outrageous slander that is completely unsubstantiated, and as a factor of hate crime, which is a state offence, and the issue of treason that I'm experiencing as well, it's highly discomforting that people are in such a destructive mode in 2021 democracy, when things should be progressing and respecting latest developments in society. So there are people of avoidance that have no respect or regard for faith or family, and that have been quite brave and not so courageous with their offences against the state, with regards my royal bloodline and my child, and the unlawful actions and illegalities that have occurred. So this upload is for the attention of the European Court of Human Rights and the experiences that I'm enduring while there are obstructions of justice and societal obstructions to prevent my wealth and property and family and professional life.